Will challenging wrongful termination hurt my future jobs? Imagine standing up for yourself after losing a job you believe was unfairly taken away. You might wonder if speaking out could make it harder to find new work. Let's look at what really happens when you challenge wrongful termination and how it could affect your career down the line. Wrongful termination happens when someone is fired for reasons that break the law. This could be because of discrimination, retaliation for whistleblowing, or other protected reasons. If you think your employer violated your rights, you can file a complaint with a government agency like the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, or even take legal action through a lawsuit. The goal is to get justice, possibly including compensation or your job back. Many worry that challenging a wrongful termination might harm their chances of getting hired elsewhere. But in reality, most early steps in the process, like filing a complaint with the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, are kept confidential. This means future employers won't know about your case unless it becomes public through court records. If your case goes to court, it becomes part of the public record, and anyone can find it through court searches. However, most employers do not check court records unless the job involves sensitive security or high-level responsibilities. It is illegal for your previous employer to give a negative reference just because you filed a complaint or lawsuit. If they do, you can take legal action for retaliation. Still, some employers might be cautious about hiring someone who has a history of legal disputes, even if those disputes are justified. This is not always the case, but it's something to consider, especially in competitive job markets. Both federal and state laws protect employees from retaliation for asserting their rights, including challenging wrongful termination. These laws are meant to encourage employees to stand up for themselves without fearing harm to future job prospects. To protect yourself, keep detailed records of your communications and evidence related to your termination and job search. Timing can matter too. Resolving cases privately or confidentially can help avoid creating a public record. When asked about gaps in employment or why you left your last job, you don't have to mention the lawsuit unless directly asked. Focus on your skills, experience, and what you can bring to a new employer. Consulting with an employment attorney can help you understand your specific risks and how best to present your story. Challenging wrongful termination can have mixed effects. It might lead to justice, compensation, and workplace change. But there is a chance that a public legal record could influence future employers' opinions, especially in industries that value discretion. The system is designed to protect your rights, but each situation is different. How a case becomes public and how potential employers view it can vary widely. In the end, standing up for yourself is important and protected by law. Taking steps to manage your public profile and seeking legal advice can help you navigate these challenges. Remember, your right to challenge unfair treatment is a key part of employment law, and most employers understand that employees have the right to do so. While some risks exist, they are often manageable with proper planning and support.